Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to react to the Nets versus Celtics Game 2. But, let's get into the fucking reaction, though. Bro, this game was fucking crazy, bro. KD, bro. I think KD. Bruce Brown was doing his shit. Bruce Brown was doing his shit. But, bro, this nigga KD was in a jail cell this whole game, bro. Bro, KD was in a fucking jail cell, bro. It was like... Water by Steph Curry. 2:23 remaining in the first. KD. Good shot, tough shot. But it was like, KD was like, I'm locked up. They won't let him out. Let him out. KD's locked up. They won't let him out. Bro, that nigga was locked up like Akon, bro. Good shot by Grant Williams. Tatum, come on, man. You can put Steph Curry on Tatum. Good pass. It's crazy how good Jason Tatum became as a passer, bro. Bruce Brown's really getting into him, not giving him any kind of room. Oh, yeah, lob. Bruce Brown was really doing his shit this game, bro. That is crazy. Hey, bro, look at this shit, bro. Bruce Brown was aggressive. Like, shit crazy. And he was playing good defense, too. Oh, nice layup by Smart. KD, water. Break. Damn. Drummond just bitched these niggas. The 3-6 matchup. This is the 2-7 matchup in the East. Is Dragic gets a friendly bounce. The shooter's touch from Goran Dragic. Trying to quiet down the opposition crowd. Smart water. Break. Al Horford. Good shit. Al Horford also doing his shit too. He can get space anytime he wants it. Brown. There was basically no defense, no hand up. Like, come on. Just a second made basket. Durant with his first points in the second quarter. And he's on his way. He knocks it off the glass. And the correction, it was not a double technical. It was a double push. Bro, the Celtic defense is just, bro, they just nasty. Water. Nope. Jaylen Brown. Tatum. And KD face, water. Jaylen Brown, oh yeah, nice attack. All that contact, bro, no foul call. Oh yeah, wide open in the corner, water. Al Horford's a shooter. Bro, the defense is crazy, bro. KD was locked up. They wouldn't let him out. They wouldn't let him out. Bro, shit is crazy. KD was locked up. Okay, Drummond. Another steal. Jesus Christ, bro. Nice dunk, bro. Bro, they had clamps on KD, bro. Bro, that shit crazy, bro. We never seen KD be like this well defended before. Shit crazy. It's like KD was like really looking like a role player out there, bro. Nice lob. It's like they were swarming this nigga. Every time he got the ball, bro, the Celtics would just jump this nigga. Bro, KD couldn't get shit. Shit was hilarious. Okay, good shot by Tice. Tie ball game. But
Celtics made a strong comeback. Bro, nigga chucked that bitch up. But that was bad defense by the Celtics, bro. Like, bro, box out. Yo, Pritchard was cooking too, bro. Water. Pritchard was on his shit. Jaylen Brown. Oh, okay, let me see some moves. Okay. Bruce Brown stayed with him, but Jaylen Brown, bro, he's just too nice. Kyrie. Water.
Seth Curry hits a contested three. I think both teams, and I don't know how much they have in their system.
Pritchard, water. Pritchard was cooking. He was chefing that shit up. Pritchard. Jaylen Brown, yeah, that's easy blow by. Like, come on. Kyrie guarding him, come on, easy work. But I don't know why they kept going to KD during the fourth when it's like, bro, KD, you like, bro, you are on clamps, bro. Bro, Pritchard was cooking these niggas. But it's like, bro, at some point, bro, KD, you just gotta, like, I don't know, be a fucking role player and just give the ball to Kyrie. Because KD was on clamp this whole game. And they kept giving this man the ball during the fourth. It's like, nigga, why? Terrible defense. Couldn't guard shit. Then you got JT out here closing. Looking like a superstar right now. Water. Out here closing games. And shout out to Marcus Smart, bro. He won Defensive Player of the Year, bro. That nigga did his job.
Right now, Durant or Irving gets the ball. They have 5 defenders.
Wow, easy. Pritchard for the layup. Bro, they was swarming KD, bro. Pritchard. Layup. No bucket by Pritchard. But great win by the goddamn Celtics, bro. They was able to, defend home court excellently. But now we gotta see if they could either sweep them or at least get one and win on the road, at least one. Okay, Brooklyn Nets. KD played 42 minutes, shot 23% from the field, 50% from three, and he dropped 27 points, bro. Okay, 27. He had 6 turnovers, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. But goddamn, 23%. Like, damn. But KD shot 20 free throws. That's tough. Bruce Brown, damn, bro. Bruce Brown gave you 23, 8 and 4. It's like, bro, goddamn, 66% from the field, 75% from three. Drummond gave him 5 points. Seth Curry gave him 16. Gave 54% from the field, 66% from three. Kyrie was cold too. Nigga only gave him 10 points. Well, he is coming off that great ass fucking performance in game 1, so understandable. 10 and 8 with his rebounds. Damn, okay, 8 rebounds, 30% from the field. Nick Claxton gave him 3. Patty only giving these niggas 5 points, bro. Goddamn. He only played 17 minutes, though. Dragic gave him 18. Damn, Dragic. 57% from the field and 20% from three. Okay, that's tough. The Celtics. Jason Tatum gave him 19. Hold on. 1, 2. Damn, niggas only play 8 players. That's tough. Okay, Jason Tatum. 19 points, 10 and 6, 31% from the field, 40% from three. Al Horford, damn, gave him 16 and 6, 60% from the field, 50% from three. Tice gave him 15-2, okay, 6 rebounds, 77% from the field. Jaylen Brown gave him 22, 6 assists. Damn, he had 3 steals. Al Horford had 2 steals, and Tice had 1 steal. Okay, Jaylen Brown shot 50% from the field, 33% from three. Marcus Smart gave him 12. Damn, he was cold from 3. Shot 33% from the field. Grant Williams, 17 points. This nigga made everything. This nigga made everything. Every 3, every field goal, every free throw. Goddamn, bro. 17 points with 6 rebounds. Derek White. 3 points. Damn, that nigga was cold. Really got over free throws. And Pritchard was out here cooking. Gave him 10 points, 4 rebounds, 71% from the field. But great ass win for the Celtics, bro. They go up 2-0 in the series. Now we get to see the Nets at home. See if the Celtics could at least like either sweep the Nets or at least win one game on the road. But you know, bro, they had this nigga KD in a jail cell the whole entire game, bro. This nigga KD was like non-existent, bro. Like goddamn, bro. Bro, that nigga was locked up. They wouldn't let him out. He was locked up. Bro, that's terrible. But you know, like, comment, subscribe. Just anything else you want to interact, you know, down below in the comments. But check it out in the next one.